This leopard has just interrupted this elephant from a afternoon drink, and that elephant wasn't so happy about it. Look at him moving on the rocks there. He's standing up to an elephant. This is just the most amazing scene that I've ever seen, I think. See, that leopard is desperate for a drink, but that elephant doesn't want to let him drink. That's amazing, and that leopard just knows if he's on the rocks there, it's safe. There's no way the elephant could get up there. But let's see now that the elephant almost looks like it's settling down and drinking. Maybe it will slip down and have a drink. The Phoenix leopards are incredibly powerful. I don't really know if I can quantify it too well, but they're capable of dragging pretty much half of their own body weight up a vertical tree. And they can climb... There he goes again. Listen to the trumpet. I just can't believe that this leopard isn't reacting. I think in terms of power to weight ratio, they're one of the strongest predators in the whole of Africa. See, this is our case in point. This leopard is now getting cover to try and hunt the elephant. He's going to try and pounce on the back of it. No, I'm only joking. That would never happen. But I'm so amazed, because usually, I guess it's just because it's happy and confident that elephant's not going to do anything. I mean, no matter how threatening and how big and powerful that elephant looks, that leopard knows that it's safe on those rocks. Sugar Bits, I think you've read that leopard's mind. I think it's there just welcoming and congratulating that elephant for the World Elephant Day today. So well done. I didn't even think about that. See, every now and again that elephant stops, his ears go out and he just picks up his trunk to smell. Looks like that leopard might move. Penelope, it might. I mean, if it squirts, see, he's dropping down. Look, here we go. there, it did. It did try to squirt water. But still, this leopard isn't giving up. How brave or how stupid do you have to be to ignore a charge like that? And he's literally drinking. That is amazing. I would never have thought that. I would have thought that elephant would have chased that leopard away.